rire kirore ya kurekereria mbeca cia makauntI cia mwaka wa kigina wa 2023-2024 guuku kanju ya magavana ikiruta riboti ya thirikari cia makauntI kuuma yanjie mwaka wa 2016 kana mwaka wa 2013.
Daktari William Ruto niekire kirore watho wa kigina kaunti kia mwigana wa bilioni 385 na kigina kia bilioni 13 kia mwigana wa makauntI na kuna kaunti ya Garissa, Narok, Kilifi gotate kaunti iria hinyiriru.
The first bill, the Equalization Fund Appropriation Bill, Senate Bill number 3 of 2023, was passed by the Senate on the 15th of June 2023 and subsequently the National Assembly on 21st June 2023. So the second bill, the County Allocation of Revenue Bill, Senate Bill number 16 of 2023, was passed by the Senate on 6th June 2023 and similarly received the seal of approval of the National Assembly on 21st June 2023.
Niekire kaja magavana itamanite na kuhena riboti ya haria thirikari kaunti kinyite kuuma yanjie wira miaka 10 mithiru.
The COG will continue to ensure better relations with various intergovernmental bodies to achieve the objectives of devolution.
Na kamwika yete wakajwe na governor anwe juru thirikari cia moto nikiyo kite makinya kugeria tofurana na kugeria tori na guthoma.
2022 in collaboration with key stakeholders including the COG embarked on an exercise to provide clarity on all function areas currently identified to be creating confusion The success of devolution is rooted in synergy, collaboration and cooperation between both levels of government, development partners, civil society, and faith-based organizations.